How are you, yo?
Thank you.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Hi. Are you hungry?
No.
Tired?
No.
No? Are you happy today?
Yes.
What food do you like?
I like sandwich.
Sandwich. What about fruits? What fruits do you like?
I like apple.
Apples. Do you like mangoes?
No.
Watermelon.
Yes.
Yes, very good. How many people are there in your family?
4 people.
Can you tell me who are they?
Dad, mom, dad,
But no Vietnamese.
father.
Grandfather. Daddy, mommy, right? Mom, dad. Number 3.
Me.
You? You said 4. Next.
Yes.
Oh, who is this?
Me.
And who is this?
Dad,
Dad, and who is this?
mom,
Who is this?
sister.
Oh, sister. You did not mention sister. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, put your hands on the table, sit nicely, and let's start. Look at this picture. What place is this? Is this a bedroom? Yes? Is this a bedroom? No. What place is it?
This
This is a...
This is a living room.
Is this it or this is?
This is
This it or this is?
this it.
Not it. Is.
It is.
This is.
This it.
This it. Not this it. This is.
This is.
Yeah, perfect. Say the word. This is a living room.
This is a living room.
Okay, what can you see in the living room? Can you give me 6? What can you see in the living room? Go. I can see.
I can see
Faster.
chair.
Next. I can see.
I can see a table.
Next.
I can see a sofa.
Next.
I can see a truck.
Good.
I can see a baby.
Good. Next.
I can see a boy.
I can see.
A window.
Good job. All right. Where is the window?
The window between the gap and the picture.
Next. Where is the TV?
The TV next to the
Bookshelf.
bookshelf.
How many tracks do you see? How many?
Two truck.
What are the colors?
Red is red and blue.
Where are the tracks?
The truck in
Are
front of
yeah, in front of the TV. How many children do you see? How many children?
Two.
Where are they? They are
They are sofa.
on. They are on. On in at.
On the sofa.
Very good. Where is the table?
The table in front of the table.
What's this? What? The table in front of the table? The table is in front of.
Sofa.
Next, what's this? Rug.
Rug.
What's this? What's this, yo? Rug.
Rug.
What's this?
Rug.
Okay, good. What's this?
Chair.
How many chairs do you see?
One table to see.
How many?
One table to see.
How many? 1, 2, 3 chairs. How many chairs?
Two chairs.
2 chairs?
One chair.
This is a chair, right? How many chairs?
One
Oh,
chair.
yes, that's the answer. Good job. Now let's move on to the second part of the speaking test. Here you are. Okay, tell me, what is it?
This is egg.
Okay, put the egg next to the TV. What is this?
This elephant.
It's an elephant. Put the elephant on the rug. On the rug. What is this? Huh? balloon. Put the balloon between the sofa and the bookshelf. Sofa and bookshelf. Okay, great. Next, what is this?
This is room. This is eraser.
Eraser. Next, put the eraser under the baby. Okay, where is the egg?
The egg next to the TV.
Where is the TV?
The TV between the bookshelf and the egg. The balloon next to the sofa and the bookshelf.
So where is the balloon between?
Between the bookshelf
And
and the sofa. The elephant on the grass. The eraser on the baby.
okay, eraser.